Hi, I'm Naomi and I'm the High Voltage Maintenance Team Leader here at BlueScope. I was here 7 years ago as a first year apprentice, and it's absolutely amazing seeing the new generation coming through, and it's amazing to be a part of watching their futures grow and collectively being able to shape them into young tradespeople. Really looking forward to seeing the outcome.
I'm starting here as a fitter at BlueScope with my host employer HVTC, so fitter and machining, and I'm starting at the plate mill roll shop.
I'm starting an apprenticeship as an electrician at BlueScope Steel, and it interests me to further my learning as an electrician, so I wanted to apply for a great company like BlueScope Steel.
I'm currently an apprentice fitter with HVTC and BlueScope. I come from a power station, so I've done a little bit on conveyor belts, so as soon as they said, oh yeah, we're going to replace a conveyor belt, I was like, yeah, that's mine, I can do this.
I've always been interested in electrical, and I know that BlueScope's a really good and safe company, so when I saw the opportunity, the job opportunity, I really wanted to go for it and was lucky enough to get it.
So when we first went for the tour, I was like, wow, this is massive. It's nothing like what I thought it would have been, and like it's kind of like a new world in there. Like, it's crazy, yeah.
I actually never knew how big this place was until we went on the tour. Everything is huge here, so I was really shocked.
Oh, I love the BOS. I was very interested in that. Being a rigger, I loved the overhead cranes. The smallest hook on the crane was actually probably the largest hook I've ever worked with. So that amazed me. I'd love to go work on some of the cranes there.
I saw the where they recycle steel, so got to watch that. They get all the scrap metal and they remelt it into new slabs of steel, so that was pretty good.
I'm just really looking forward to learning and just becoming the best apprentice that I can become.
Whatever comes at me, I'm going to take it, so yeah, really keen for that.
I like to enjoy myself and take every day as a new day, and to be able to just get the most out of learning.
I want to be able to be mechanically minded, be able to think of things like that and just, you know, make our lives easier.
A new approach, and that's one thing that the younger generation is coming through. It's a new approach to safety, a fresh set of eyes to take on the future of steelmaking and collectively just create a bigger, better business.